It's day 4 of our Alaska cruise, and it's the one we've been waiting for, glacier viewing day. We woke up to clear skies, no rain, chilly weather, but perfect weather for scenic cruising. Later, come along with me and my family as we explore downtown Juneau on foot. Hi, I'm Haley with Barnes on the Go, and if you haven't already, check out the rest of our Alaska cruise series starting from our arrival to Seattle. I will link the playlist below. Good morning. It is 4:50 a.m. It's day 4. We have just entered Endicott Arm to see the Dawes Glacier. We've already started seeing ice chunks already. It is a sight to see. It is, I cannot even explain it on the video of how beautiful this is. As you can see how behind Driz, it is cold. It's about maybe 10 to 15 degrees colder than it was when we left Ketchikan, and the wind is blowing a little bit, but I was not missing this for the world. It is absolutely gorgeous. The kids are exhausted. They're in the bed. I told them I would get them up once we got closer to the glacier, but y'all, this is absolutely beautiful. Stay tuned. I'll have more glacier footage for you later. We are approaching the Dawes Glacier. We're on the port side of the ship, and we got the first glimpse. This is the Dawes Glacier. So we are at Endicott Arm, and we are sitting here right now. The ship is doing a 360, so everybody can see it. So right now we're just kind of parked here on our side, and then they're gonna flip to the other side. So I'm not sure if y'all can see this, but that's a waterfall. We're about to get off the ship in Juneau. This is our first time in Juneau, so we don't have a whole lot planned. We're just gonna, hey, baby. So we're probably just gonna get like a van for all of us to travel in to do some touring and see where the day takes us. Oh, good morning from Juneau.
Yeah, the one who's coming.
Mom, I know what all those words say. It says welcome.
Look alive, Orange Bunch. So our plan backfired to get a driver to take us around on a private tour of the city. So I went back to my original plan, which was to tour the Alaska state capitol. Now, to my surprise, I had no idea that the state capitol was 5 minutes away from the cruise port. So we were able to walk there. We didn't have to get an Uber or a Lyft or anything to get there. We just walked straight there. Now, we opted for a self-guided tour instead of a guided tour. But we did have some employees that were there working that day that kind of guided us around and told us what to make sure we saw. We just wrapped up our tour at the Alaska State Capitol right here. Wasn't long, maybe about 20 minutes. We really enjoyed it. It wasn't long, like I said. My son's under the weather. He was enjoying it, but just couldn't fully enjoy it because he wasn't feeling good. But if you're looking for something free to do in Alaska here at the Juneau port while you're here, I will definitely come and check the Alaska Capitol out. Very old building, but a lot of history here. So definitely put it on your list. Of course, that's a free activity. It's not far from the cruise port, maybe about a 5-minute walk uphill though. So make sure it's all uphill. So if you have some mobility issues or, just have on your good shoes if you decide to come here. After our tour of the Alaska State Capitol, we checked out downtown Juneau, walked into a few shops, some of the local coffee shops, and we stumbled upon this food truck park that had like fish tacos, they had a crepe truck, they had a coffee truck, they haven't had a spot for burgers and reindeer sausage. We next checked out the Alaska Fudge Company. Now, y'all, if you go here, check out these lemon cookies that they have. Don't get one, get like three because you're gonna want them later. Also, we tried the tiramisu truffles and we also tried the creme brulee truffles. They were delicious. Our day started at about 4 a.m. with scenic cruising through Endicott Arm and seeing the Dawes Glacier. And it ended at about 9:30 that night in Juneau after touring the city. If you don't have an excursion plan, check out the Alaska State Capitol. It's a free self-guided tour. Also, y'all, check out the Alaska Fudge Company for those amazing lemon cookies. If you've liked anything in this video or found anything in this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more of our Alaska cruise adventures. Thanks for watching.